Okay, never mind. Hey guys, Neo here, and today I'm back with something a little different than usual, because I kind of have a few small announcements. So, yeah, first off, bet you guys are wondering what is behind me. Well, this is actually a project that I started about 2 weeks ago, roughly. I did it, if you guys didn't know by now, there's no way on earth that me and Nate and the other people who were involved in the Advent Calendar process could have built these maps in the time in one day. Alright, first off, my maps normally take longer than that to develop, and second off, I would probably go insane from sleep deprivation. So, you guys can't tell over here on the sidebar, this is a brand new game. It's called Scramble. If I sound sick, I'm sorry. I'll do my best. So, basically, if you guys have been following my Twitter, you probably know, but if you don't, shame on you. Remember, there's always going to be a link. Go check it out. So, Scramble is basically what it sounds like. I have 200, actually, let me just go ahead and fly over there. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is actually like the room where the game actually happens. So this is actually a game that supports up to 5 people. It runs single player and it runs up to 5 people. So you can play alone for high scores. This is a really bad score. Do not. Please do better than me. You can either play alone or you can play with friends for the best score. The game itself is very self-explanatory. A word will appear up here, and it is scrambled up. Most of the time, the word is scrambled to the point where it takes some serious thought to figure it out, but there are some, exceptions. You'll receive heads, the same heads you see up here, but all out of order. You must reorder the heads on the board the way you see them above you, correctly. And if you spell the word out, you get a point. So the game goes, you have 60 seconds to guess the word, and what happens is, let's just say it took me 5 seconds to decipher the word, so I get 55 points, because it took me 5 seconds to guess it, so you get 55 points, which is 5 off of 60, so it's really simple. It's a fun game, actually, and I talked a little bit. If you guys don't know, I have a really brainiac IQ friend by the name of Master Oreo. He actually agreed to help design something. So, as you can see, Scramble here, there's an animal edition I have loaded right now. There are 5 total that are pre-made that come in the map file. If you guys download the map file, there's 5 different, editions. There's a Minecraft, a Christmas, an animals, a food, and a Pokemon one. Pokemon is, if you guys do not know Pokemon up to modern right now, don't even bother. You will never in your life figure out I am a Pokemon guy. I couldn't figure out the freaking stuff it was generating. So, yeah, this is Scramble. So what makes this special, you'll see in just a second. Okay, so here is all the redstone for the game. This is actually a lot. It's more than it looks like. This is the bane of my existence. It's this took me so long to do, but there are actually 255 possible words that the game can generate, as you see here. The game will actually pick one of these completely randomly, and then it will scramble it. Even if it's like, for example, if the word is, let me find a 2-letter word I made. Here we go. So, prairie dog. So the word is prairie dog. It'll scramble prairie and dog separately to make sure there's no accidental flips and all that. And on top of that, the game will actually remove the puzzles you've played, as you can see here, so that way you can keep playing new words, and there's a button to reset this in the lobby if you really want, but there's a save copy here. It'll clone back over if you press that button. So there are 5 different versions of this, and they all have an entire 255 input wall of stuff that it can generate. So, believe it or not, this did not take me long at all. And thanks to Oreo, this is why. He built a program that allows me to import a text document. You press 2 buttons. You press Insert Text Document, and then oh, I guess that was just from a bird, okay. You basically press Import Text Document, and I made a list of these animals on a text document, and I selected the world, and it overwrote this wall in this world with the new words. we were talking about it. He said he'd love to. It'd be fun to do. What we're going to do is he's going to make it so I'm going to build a custom version of this map very soon, probably within the coming week or two, that will be supportive of this. All you'll do is you'll take the custom version, put it on your desktop. Basically, you open up his little script thing, import your text document, import your own world, and you can make your own. You can make your own puzzles. You can play in the game, just like, you know, any other person. And then I'll make a way for you guys to share them online if you want. Let's just say, I don't know, you make a ton of Halloween stuff and it's just a blast. Like, you just make like 50 or 60 different Halloween words. You can save this text document and share it online. I'll figure out, I was thinking Reddit, probably not Reddit, but I'll figure out a way to help make it easy for you to share your creations with each other. But yeah, this game is just, it's a fun game. It's actually pretty fun. The actual system, it takes about 25 seconds to scan this, to create a word, scramble it, and then properly put it up for you to play. So I'll be right back. I'll show you guys what it looks like for actually the game's, you know, running. I'll be right back. You'll see here in just a second. It'll start generating it. Here we go. So let's see what let's see what it gives me. You can hear custom sounds too. I know what this is. I'm gonna wait about 10 seconds. I'll spell it out. I won't say what it is. You guys can figure it out. Just comment down in the description below right now what you think it is, or, you know, I don't know. The game does run a little slow on single player, and I have yet to discover why this is the case. Maybe I'll figure it out later, but right now I have no bloody clue. All I know is, for the most part, there's no lag. So as you can see here, just gotta rebuild the word on the board, like so. If you guys haven't figured it out by now, shame on you. Alright, there we go. So, it took me 7 seconds. I get 53 points. Once everyone has guessed the word or the time gets to 0, the game will continue to progress. It'll show you the correct word up there, and then the next round starts. So there's 5 rounds. At the end of the 5th round, it will send everyone back to the lobby, and of course, the winner is the person with the most points over here. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this. It'll be pretty fun. Now, one more thing I want to say before I go for this video. So, I know a lot of you have been keeping up with our advent calendar. Actually, mostly Nate's advent calendar, even though he's now stressing. He's trying to get me to take credit for helping him out, helping him get this done in time. But it was his idea, so please do, yeah, show him some support. What did it do? Okay, never mind that. So, basically, Nate and I are going to do a few collaboration things. He wants to work on a couple of pretty cool projects, and I'm not going to say anything about what they are, but we didn't coordinate, like for the advent calendar, we made our own maps, and he helped coordinate together what goes up when, and, you know, theming and some general ideas like that. So, we're actually going to collaborate. We're going to make a map together, and we want to see what you guys think about it. If you guys like it. Of course, we have completely different redstoning styles for the most part, but we think alike, very, very alike. So, hopefully we'll work together well, and maybe you guys, you'll have some stuff from NeoMc and Nate T-Bird together. So, if you guys have any specific game ideas, we have a couple in mind. We've kind of agreed on one, like both of us together, we both said yes to something, but there's no, what on earth is that? So we haven't agreed on an actual game yet. I think we did say we had an idea for one thing to do together, and I think we kind of like the idea, but we haven't set in stone what we're doing yet. So let me know what you guys think. Oh, I know what this is. This is Toucan. Toucan. I'm proud of myself. That was a hard one. That's Toucan. So yeah, guys, if you have any ideas for games and stuff, let us know. I have my own map plans that I'm going to be working on soon. I'm taking a little bit of a breather. I'm going to do some work with Nate. We're going to have some fun together because it's the time of the year for, you know, giving and all that. Hopefully you guys all have enjoyed our advent calendar, and half of my maps are out. Maybe about almost half of Nate's are out, so yeah, if you guys like this, let us know. We're also thinking about what to do next year, too. So yeah, let us know what you guys think about this. Let us know if you like the advent calendar, if you like the concept, and maybe want to see it again next year or something like that. And yeah, Thanks for watching. Hopefully, and also, let me say this quickly, Scramble is available exclusively. You can get this exclusively on my website, the new and improved website, like the just finished redesigning and recoding it. And hopefully, you guys like the website, but you can get this on my website for about a week. As soon as I've coordinated with Oreo what we're gonna do with, or as soon as it's ready, what we're gonna do with the customization, I'll put it up on Minecraft Maps, or I'll get it up there. But for right now, it's available exclusively to people who visit my website. So hopefully you guys like this game. I like it. Nate and I played it together, and a few of the people, they all said it was pretty fun. It's not an action-packed game. It's like a mental scramble thing. So yeah. If you guys like it, be sure to like, subscribe. If you like my content and want to see more of it in the future, please do consider subscribing. And I know that, you know, things sometimes look like I'm gone, but I'm watching my channel like a hawk every single freaking day of the week. I'm on my channel checking comments, reviewing stuff, so I do everything you guys post, I read and see, so don't be mean. So yeah, if you guys really like this stuff and you want me and Nate to work together and get some more stuff done, please do let us know. Let us know you want us to do some collab projects, because honestly, I feel like we can really get better at this stuff. Now let's see what this word is before I go. I kind of actually put together half the word in my head at like 1 second left. I don't know how I did that. Huh. Bet you guys didn't think it was raccoon either. It just goes to show you it's quite it's impressive what'll stump you. So, yeah guys, check it out for yourselves. Do some demo runs and let me know how it goes. This is like a beta testing stage almost. So yeah guys, check out the map, down link in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.